Hello guys, I'm Tim Clank with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. Today we got a brand new 2020 New Aire, straight from a factory delivery, in which we're doing some upgrades for the customer. We're upgrading the solar panel system. It originally only had a solar panel for the chassis battery. We're doing the coach system with our designed 9-panel solar panel system that is actually integrated to the Girard and dummy awning mounts on the driver's side. So that system is going to be over 1,700 watts and almost 200 volts DC. So, and one other thing that we're doing besides a cell phone booster and a few other things is we're doing a headlight upgrade. So over the years, everybody complains about headlights. And over the years, there's been a lot of variations in headlights. We had LEDs from halogen. We have different versions of LED headlights. Some are prone to failure. Some are prone to flickering, heat. They got fans. They got, in and out. So we have basically developed, or we have stuck with a system that has worked. Our customers are very happy with them. We've had them out for well over 3 years. Customers are happy. They don't blow out or anything like that. So the typical halogen headlight in your RV looks like this. This is pulling anywhere between 15 to 20 amps each bulb. So on a typical RV, where you've got a high and a low beam, each one of those beams is pulling 15 to 20. Now, if you have a 4 headlight bulb system where 2 headlights come on and then you put the high beam and 2 more headlights come on, then you're going to be pulling between 30 to 40 amps. So what we do is we do a drop-in LED light bulb that we've been very happy with. It is a fanless system, and again, there's a lot of variations of manufacturers out there. Some are prone to failure. So this physically will pull between 4 to 7 amps. So you're talking a lot less. So on this brand new 2020, even though you look at the light and it looks over here that you physically have a round globe similar to a projector, there is still a halogen bulb driving that projector. So it's not a true LED projector. And then on the inside, you have regular halogen bulbs that you can physically see right from the outside. So this customer, we're putting in a 4 bulb system to replace the halogens. Not only will it provide less amps, but the lenses will be much cooler because the heat is in the amps. The heat is in the watts. So physically, it will be a much better, healthier system for the electrical system as well as the plastic to the headlight lens itself. So we're going to do some befores and afters on this, Coach. Again, this is a brand new 2020 Newmar New Aire here at MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana.